Hello friends, this is Surendra Kumar Sharma from India. I am technical architect in TA Digital. Today I am going to cover a new module that we have developed. It's called Sitecore Smart Comment Analyzer using Microsoft Azure Text Analytics Service. It's a very big name, but let me explain you. Let's suppose if you are running a website, it may be an e-commerce based website or a blog website where you are allowing visitors to put the comment against those product or the article. Now, these comments can be positive, negative, or sometimes it may be abusive. If it's positive, then it's good for our website. But if it's negative or abusive, then we must need to take care. Now, why we need to take care? So there is a very good example for it. So Elon Musk tweets this message, and based on these tweets, he lost $20 million on the same day. So that's why we need to take care of these comments if we are allowing it from our on our website. But now the question is that there are hundreds of users who will put number of comments for this product or these comments. How can we review it? Can we review it manually? I don't think it's a feasible solution. So what's the alternative? Now this is the perfect place where we can use the artificial intelligence and the machine learning. For this text analytics on the azure.microsoft.com, we can analyze any text by using their text analytics services. So here you will put the message and it will analyze it and will give us this different parameter. One of this parameter is the sentiment score. So if your sentiment score is very high, it means it's a positive sentence or the word. If I click here on negative one, so this is the example of the negative sentiment message where the sentiment score is very low, so that's why it's marked as a negative. So we will use this analytic services and we will integrate it within the Sitecore for this comment module. So how this comment module will work? So for this, let's suppose you have the website and then your visitors are landed on one particular page where you are allowing the comments. So this user read the article or the will go on through the product, and now he want to share his feeling. So he will put some comments. We will pass this comment with the text analytics service, and this text analytics service will return us some parameters. One of those parameters is called rating. uh, if that parameter score is greater than 50%, so 0.5 means it's a 50%. So if it's more than 50%, then we suppose that okay, this is the positive comment, so we will directly publish it on our website. But if its score is low, then we will store it into the SQL database, and now somebody from the Sitecore backend team, it need to be reviewed by somebody, and based on his or her judgment, it can be that message can be approved or it can be rejected. If it's approved, then we will publish it on our website. So let me give you a demo on the same. So I have this habitat website, and within the habitat website I have this comment module. So let me put some comment here. So let me post it. So as it has some positive words, so we get our score greater than 50%. So this is directly publish it on our website. Let me put another one. So this is also we receive a positive score. So it's directly publish it on our website. Now this time let me put some word here. So So as the bad is not a good word, so we received a very low score. So that's why we received this message that your comment seems not valid, so we are marking it for review. So I say okay. Now let me put one last comment. So for this comment as well, we receive a low score. So it's also marked for the review. So we have put the four comments. Two are the for the two we received the very high score, and for the two we received a low score. So these two are the positive comments, and the rest two comments are have the negative sentiment. I'm storing all these comments into a SQL server table. So here I have my table, and I have this all these four messages I am collecting against this particular Sitecore page ID, and these are the users who have put this comment, and the score where it's greater than 0.5 they are already approved, so they are directly published. And for these two comments the score is very low, so it's less than 0.5. So that's why these are not approved. So somebody need to approve it by analyzing it. So let me go to our Sitecore backend. So this is the Sitecore backend I have, and within the ribbon, I have put a one command. So this is the one approve command, and here I will get my all these comments which have the low score. So let's suppose uh, I think this is need to improve this product. It's a suggestion. I don't think it's a bad something bad comment. So let me approve it. So okay, I have approved. I don't think this is the good comment, so I don't want to show it on my website. So just I'm rejecting it. So I received four comments. Out of them, two are good, two have the negative or the low score, and out of these two, I have approved one, and one I have rejected. So right now, I am seeing two comments here, but I have approved one more. So let me refresh it here, and you see we get this comment here as I have approved it, but the comment that I have rejected, it never going to show here. And if I go to the database again, and if I execute it, so you see these are the valid comment, and this is not the valid comment. So I never receive it on my Sitecore backend as well now. So as you can see that how you can use the analytics service, and you can use those text analytics service to use this comment module. uh, in future I will share that this smart comment analyzer module on the marketplace, and I will also share its code on the GitHub. But till that time, stay tuned, and thanks for watching this video.